Imagine having a massive library of data at your fingertips, with seamless access to files, photos, and videos from anywhere in the world. But what if this library is not just a treasure trove of digital memories, but also a repository of critical business data, sensitive files, and vital company secrets? For those who understand the importance of data management, the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus is an answer to a critical question. How can we ensure our data is protected, secure, and always accessible, no matter what? The modern business environment has created a complex landscape of data management, security, and compliance. As companies deal with exponentially growing data volumes, they face numerous challenges in maintaining the integrity, availability, and security of this data. They must juggle performance, capacity, and flexibility while ensuring robust security measures to prevent data breaches and cyber threats. Now, let's take a closer look at the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus. When unboxed, the DS925 Plus exudes confidence in its sturdy build quality, robust design, and premium materials. With clean lines and an elegant appearance, this high-tech solution looks more like a sophisticated entertainment system rather than a business server. Weighing in at nearly 7.7 pounds, it's substantial enough to give you an idea of the power and technology that lies within. In terms of usability, the DS925 Plus comes with a comprehensive setup guide, and Synology's intuitive user interface makes it a breeze to configure and navigate. With a wide range of software options and tools at your fingertips, you'll be able to set up your network, configure users and permissions, monitor performance metrics, and optimize your data setup with ease. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus so compelling. At the heart of this device is a dual-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz, which delivers blistering sequential read and write speeds of up to 522 and 565 megabytes per second, respectively. Whether you're working with massive files, streaming 4K video content, or performing routine backups, this device can keep up with demanding workloads. Dual 2.5 GBE ports provide fast and redundant network connectivity, supporting up to 1 GBE speeds, allowing you to prioritize your network traffic according to your business needs. This level of networking capacity enables seamless collaboration between teams, efficient data exchange across departments, and secure access to shared resources for partners and external stakeholders. The DS925 Plus also comes with built-in support for various applications, such as file and photo management, data protection, virtualization, and surveillance solutions. This integrated software suite is the backbone of this device, providing numerous benefits, including reduced overhead costs, streamlined maintenance, and simplified management. Real-world testing revealed that this solution excels in both performance and reliability. During our evaluation, we configured the DS925 Plus with 4 12TB hard drives for a total of 48 terabytes of storage. We experienced seamless connectivity using both Wi-Fi and LAN connections, with minimal latency and a remarkably smooth user experience. One notable observation was the device's power consumption. In our test scenario, where it was handling 4 drives, the DS925 Plus consumed approximately 65 watts, making it surprisingly energy efficient. In conclusion, the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus shines in numerous areas, offering robust security, excellent performance, and a wide range of applications for efficient data management. While there are other products that might match individual aspects of this product's offering, it's hard to find a combination of these features in a single device at this price point. If you're in the market for a high-performance, expandable, and reliable data storage solution, the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus is a top contender. When considering competing options, keep in mind that this device stands out for its unique hardware and software combination, robust build quality, and unparalleled network connectivity. In the end, if you've outgrown your current storage setup or need an upgrade to handle the ever-growing demands of your business or personal data, the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS925 Plus is an exceptional choice. Get ready to discover a more efficient, flexible, and secure way to manage your digital life. This solution is a testament to the power of Synology's vision, and I wholeheartedly recommend it for your data management needs.